Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening Settings, then tap Screen Time. If you use a Screen Time passcode, have it ready because you'll be asked. Once in Screen Time, glance at the summary to verify which device or child account is selected. Make sure iCloud family sharing or device pairing is not interfering. Switch accounts if needed. Now tap the Screen Time header to reveal the controls that will let you turn off and remove all tracking and limits. You will tap Turn Off Screen Time and then enter the Screen Time passcode if prompted. This stops new tracking. Next, confirm Turn Off for this iPhone when the dialog appears so restrictions and downtime end immediately. Once tracking is stopped, go to Settings, right arrow your Apple ID, right arrow iCloud, right arrow Manage Storage to delete Screen Time data from iCloud if you want removal across devices. Make sure to wait a few moments for propagation, then restart Settings to verify the status. Finish by restarting your iPhone, then reopen Settings, right arrow Screen Time to confirm it shows off. If Screen Time still appears active, make sure you signed out of any child or family sharing account that could be enforcing limits. If you forgot the Screen Time passcode, you'll need to use Apple ID Recovery or erase and restore the device from backup to remove it. If problems persist, check iCloud Sync and Family Sharing settings. Those often reapply limits until corrected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.